Subtraction math quiz for kids. Question 1. What is 7 minus 2? The answer is B. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Great work! Question 2. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is A. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Well done! Question 3. What is 8 minus 4? Yes, it's A. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Question 4. What is 6 minus 2? That's correct. The answer is C. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Question 5. What is 5 minus 1? The answer is B. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Amazing! Question 6. What is 10 minus 3? The answer is A. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Fantastic! Question 7. What is 6 minus 5? The answer is A. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Great job! Question 8. What is 4 minus 2? The answer is C. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Nice work! Question 9. What is 7 minus 6? The answer is C. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Good job! Question 10. What is 3 minus 2? The answer is B. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Well done! Question 11. What is 8 minus 3? The answer is B. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Question 12. What is 9 minus 5? The answer is C. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Question 13. What is 2 minus 1? The answer is A. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Great work! Question 14. What is 6 minus 3? The answer is C. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Question 15. What is 4 minus 1? The answer is B. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Fantastic! Question 16. What is 5 minus 3? The answer is B. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Question 17. What is 10 minus 5? The answer is C. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Great job! Question 18. What is 9 minus 7? The answer is B. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Question 19. What is 3 minus 3? The answer is A. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Question 20. What is 8 minus 1? The answer is B. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. How many did you get right? What is 9 minus 4? Five. What is 7 minus 2? Five. What is 8 minus 5? Three. What is 6 minus 3? Three. What is 5 minus 1? Four. What is 4 minus 2? Two. What is 9 minus 6? Three. What is 7 minus 5? Two. What is 8 minus 3? Five. What is 6 minus 2? Four. What is 3 minus 1? Two. What is 5 minus 3? Two. What is 4 minus 1? Three. What is 7 minus 4? Three. What is 9 minus 2? Seven. What is 6 minus 4? 2. What is 8 minus 7? 1. What is 5 minus 2? 3. What is 7 minus 6? 1. What is 8 minus 4? 4. Keep challenging yourself with more math problems, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next one.